Hello guys, this is Sugar Sus Crypto. On today's video, we're going to talk about Cardano. Why Cardano is going up dramatically? Why is it exponentially growing? He overtook Litecoin, he overtook EOS, he overtook the Binance coins. On rank number 6 already, or 7. And it's behind Bitcoin Satoshi's vision, which is a piece of garbage. It's not a garbage, but it's something that doesn't have the functionalities and the features that our blockchain is going to provide. Is it surprising to you? Is it surprising to you that Cardano is going up after the Cardano Virtual Summit 2020? To me, it isn't. I opened this channel about 2 years ago, and I've been uploading video after video after video because I've seen what this is gonna emerge. You see, Ethereum is like a Honda Civic. Not that I'm against Honda Civic fans out there. I love Honda Civic. But come on, you're going to compete a Honda Civic with a Rolls Royce V8, a beautiful super fast car, you know? It's fine in its touch, it's luxury, you know? The blockchain is made by the best scientific and mathematicians. They've seen the problems with Ethereum, with the scaling. They've seen that same problem with Bitcoin, and how much does it take to validate the transaction. Guys, Cardano is the thing, and I knew it since a long time ago, and I've been uploading video after video on this channel trying to let you guys know what's gonna happen. And this is just the beginning, guys. Don't get surprised. Don't get surprised. And if you are surprised, it's because you didn't know that this was the thing. Now, it's not too late. You wait for longer, for by the end of the year, maybe by next year or in 2 years, you're gonna be late. So many things were announced at this Cardano Virtual Summit that I'm going to go over on this video. But this is not the only reason why Cardano is going up. It is the triggering point because things are getting closer to launch. Things are getting closer to be done and be on the mainnet where it's going to be open for Coinbase to open to new investors. Because I've been buying it at Kraken Exchange, and it's very difficult to buy the coin. At Coinbase, it's gonna be an open, easy platform for newcomers to come in, and they're gonna start buying Cardano because they can stake like Tezos and they can earn rewards. And of course, I've been participating in the incentive testnet, and I'm really proud of that. I accumulate quite some money there, quite some ADA, US dollar values, and to me, it's really cool. And I'm looking forward to this when it goes into the mainnet. Of course, today was the public participation. July 7th was the public participation so you could download this Daedalus wallet, Shelly testnet, that I'll leave a link in the description below, where you could download it. You could create the wallet, save the passphrase, guys, and then you have to go back into where the site that you downloaded it. Go to the left upper corner, click faucet, and then right there at the bottom, you gotta ask that you want some testnet ADA, some fake ADA that you could use, and you could put your receiving address for that wallet you created into that faucet page, and then they'll send you about 1,000 ADA testnet tokens, and then you could use that. And please pick a pool to delegate that 1,000 ADA to, because that's gonna help the operators on the back end to refine the network and get it ready for the mainnet. Okay, so let's move on. On July 29, the full decentralization will happen. It'll be 100 times more decentralized than Bitcoin, and this is gonna be on July 29. That's when they're gonna fully decentralize. They might kick back maybe a couple of days further if they see that they're facing problems, if they found some bugs, you know, through that time frame, and they have to push it back. But it's better to do that. It's better to be safe than sorry, okay? Sometime in August, your incentivized stake rewards will be available on the mainnet. And that's good for me and many others out there that were participating in the first snapshot that happened last year, like around November. And we delegated our ADA we participated into the incentive testnet, which is different testnet than the Shelly testnet that's occurring right now. And we got some stake reward, and that was real ADA we were messing with. So we gained real ADA on sometimes in August. We're gonna redeem them. Staking on Shelly mainnet will happen by mid-August. The next thing would be the Voltaire. The voting and treasury system improvement proposal will happen in a few weeks this month of July, guys. So get ready. Through a cell phone app that was presented on the summit, and I saw it, and it looks very, very clean to understand. And then listen to this. They are partnering with a company called Submittable that will allow people to submit ballots, proposal, requests for funding, and by talking to the community. The community will participate using the incentivized StatNet ADA rewards. That's an equivalent of the whole rewards that we acquired, equivalent value of $10 million to approve ballots by using this app or using this app that they have. And eventually this app will be available on the desktop with additional funding. So this is very cool, very interesting. I saw the presentation and it was outstanding. I was very excited to see it. I'm like, wow, did they build this already? It's incredible. So let's move on to the next. $10 million DeFi investment from IO Global, which is the new brand of IOHK. So they're going from in and out, put Hong Kong for in and out global, because we're going global, guys. Cardano is going global. Partnering with Wave Financial, which is a different company, which are also matching $10 million. Wave Financial and IO Global, that's our company, so together totaling about 20 million in bringing in and helping new developers to build on Cardano dApps such as DeFi, business model, and more. So Ethereum, move aside, there's going to be new DeFi launching on this platform. And you guys should check out David Likes Crypto. Oh my God. He did an amazing video when it comes to how Cardano could win the DeFi race. It's incredible. David Likes Crypto, you're the man. For real, he did an incredible video. I don't think people have gifts. They have talent. And there's many cryptocurrency YouTubers out there with a lot of talent. My talent is enough to get by. I'm just trying to help the community and people that see my video and like me as a person. And I'm here to help you guys. And you guys are helping me by kind of connecting. You give it a like or you watch for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Hey, we're connecting. I'm out there. I'm out here in the world, and you are there out in the world, and we all connect each other. And cryptocurrency and Cardano, it connects us together. So let's move into the next announcement. In the next 120 days, we will see native standard issuing assets such as utility tokens, security tokens, and loyalty tokens, and so on. So in the next 120 days, we're going to start seeing more value, more native coins being embedded in our Cardano blockchain. So get ready soon. So that's what I'm saying. If you think the price right now, it is what it is, just watch. Just stand by. Just grab some popcorn and just watch. Watch CoinMarketCap. You'll see. Within the next 120 days, we will start seeing native standard issuing assets such as utility token, security token, loyalty token. Let's move on. The next announcement is in the next 150 days, Pluto's Foundation will come out, and it will be the first entry to smart contract for Cardano. Guys, this is huge. Smart dApps coming in soon. Guys, oh my God, we're in the middle. Let's get reading. Bring a bunch of functionalities and power to Cardano, not only to match, but to transcend them. Bringing more interoperabilities in functional standards and imperative standards, making it easier for third parties to wire their infrastructure, whether it be a Node application or Cordova app or Java app, with the Cardano's system and use the Cardano's blockchain as a service. So that means all Ethereum dApps out there, get ready, guys. You guys could be able to transcend to our blockchain and use our blockchain so you guys could have a faster transaction and more scalable for more people around the world. Get ready, guys. Developers out there, they're gonna be really happy. I'm excited. I'm really happy. Let's continue. The next announcement is Cardano announces a custodial service with Coinbase. And see, this is the entry for ADA holders to use their cold wallet storage, with also maintaining the ability to delegate their stake, keeping assets safe. By August, they might enable the ability to buy and sell ADA coins in their platform. They did announce that, and it's coming very soon. So stay put, guys. Stay put, Coinbase customers. The last announcement is that the value for Cardano ecosystem, Atala Prizm, an identification solution bringing in native assets on Cardano, here is on a cell phone app, and that has been built already. Please enjoy the presentation. Guys, I'm gonna leave you guys with this presentation. It's amazing. But guys, watch David Likes Crypto. Oh my God. You guys gotta watch how Cardano will win the race, the DeFi race. It's incredible. This is Sugar to Crypto. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like, and thanks for your support. Take it easy, guys, and let's stay cryptic, and we'll see Cardano all the way to the moon very soon. Take care. Peace out.
Mark, over to you.
Thank you, Donal, for introducing Atala Prizm. Hi, everybody. My name is Mark Griffin. I'm the product manager for Atala Prizm. I will now demonstrate how Atala Prizm can power a smarter world using our interactive city map, which is part of the Atala Prizm website. Called Metropole City, this is a forward-thinking city that wants to embrace cutting-edge technology. It wants to leverage digital innovation to ensure secure, trusted, and private city engagements. So Atala Prizm can help achieve this. So I'm going to launch the interactive city map. So we're going to take a journey through Metropole City with Joe. Joe is a recent college graduate from one of Metropole's third-level universities, and will be using Atala Prizm in our everyday life. Over time, we will add additional citizens, each of whom will have different sets of needs that will be fulfilled by Atala Prizm. Part of the mobile first generation, Joe uses her phone for everything. Instead of old-fashioned documents, she wants to store, manage her identity and credentials straight from her phone. So let's select Joe. So now you can see the interactive map. I'm fully able to interact with it. As a smart city, Metropole is focused on building a sustainable economy with clean energy such as solar and wind, communications infrastructure such as Wi-Fi, 5G, and smart transport such as cycle lanes, electric vehicles that will help improve citizens' quality of life and reduce pollution. So let's start to install the app. So we have both an iOS and an Android mobile app. In this case, I've downloaded the iOS app onto the iPhone here. So let's get started. So on startup, it asks for access to the camera. This is needed in order to scan QR codes in order to receive your credentials from issuing authorities. Okay, so there's a splash screen. Let's get started. So what we can see here are the benefits of Atala Prizm, and they are owning and sharing your data, controlling your personal information, and getting instant access to services. So let's create the account. So before we do that, we're going to accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Let's accept that. So next, on creating an account on the app, on creation, a unique decentralized identity or DID is generated. So it's important to note that this DID and all the data is encrypted in the account on the mobile app. So we use a 12-word mnemonic seed phrase here for the recovery process. So if you do lose your phone, you can basically reinstall the app on a new phone, and then using the seed phrase, you'll get your data back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to accept that. I'm just going to take a picture of the seed phrase, and I'm going to accept. So it's now going to ask me to verify the seed phrase. So that's 1 and 2. So jealous and any. So we're going to verify those words. So once verified, the account on the mobile app is created, and it's now asking to basically to connect with any issuing organization in order to receive credentials. So let's continue the journey. So Metropole City, like other municipalities, wants to provide its citizens easy access to services. It is recently announced that all residents will be issued with a new digital identity. As a forward-thinking initiative, this will give its citizens fast and friction-free access to many government and municipal services, making it easier than ever before to take public transport, pay city taxes, and vote on local issues straight from their phones. So they are using Atala Prizm's management console, which allows them to create, manage, and issue digital credentials in a safe and secure way. So in this instance, Joe is going to visit the local government office. So let's see her getting her ID now. So once Joe is identified as a resident, she can then be issued a digital identity. So how is a digital identity issued to her Atala Prizm app? So this is done by creating a unique QR code you can see here on screen using the management console. Joe's then going to scan that using our Atala Prizm app. So this will set up a secure and private connection between Joe and the government to issue the credential. So let's scan that now. So Metropole City resident Joe is excited that this verified digital identity will enable her to live smarter straight from her phone. So she is now going to accept, going to connect, and then she's going to confirm that connection with Metropole City government. So you can see Metropole City government is now added to the contact list, the app. So it's asking me to check the notifications. The notifications you can see there's the government ID. I can now view that. And this is in the credit card style. And you can see information such as the name, date of birth, identity number, and expiration date. So that's now added to our credentials list. So let's continue the journey. So next, in Joe's journey, she wants to graduate. There's a graduation ceremony where she will receive her physical-based paper degree. However, the university has piloted a new and exciting project, that of issuing digital copies of paper-based degrees. This will help reduce fraud and streamline the credential issuance process. So Joe can access the university's website and using her digital identity can authenticate herself in order to receive her digital degree. So let's get her degree now. So again, a unique QR code for Joe is generated on the university's website, and then Joe will then scan it using our Atala Prizm app. So let's do that now. So once we've connected to the university through the mobile app, the university will actually ask for some of our credentials, and these are the government ID. So basically on the mobile app, it's asking me to share the government ID. Let's do that. So once shared and received by the university will be able to check their records whether Joe is eligible for a university degree. In this case, they then can automatically establish that Joe is eligible and issue the degree digitally. So again, we can see the university added to the contacts list. I'm going to go to notifications. And there's the university degree. I'm going to view that. And again, like what's on the website, that's an exact copy. You can see details of her name, her degree, their award, and the issuance date. So let's continue with her journey. So Jo wants to settle in Metropole City. She starts job hunting and sees a suitable position with a new startup. Decentralized Inc., they want to speed up the hiring process and ensure they are receiving legitimate academic credentials. They have integrated Atala Prizm into their careers page on their website. So using the Apply with Atala Prizm link, Jo can submit an application in one click. So let's apply as Jo now. So after applying for the job, the company issues a request to Jo via the mobile app, asking for both her identity and her educational credentials. So let's do that now by scanning the QR code. So again, it's asking me to confirm I want to connect with Decentralized Inc. So once I do that, Decentralized Inc. then ask or request the following information. That's the government ID and the university degree. So using the management console, these can be instantly verified. So after offering her a job and she accepts it, they issue a proof of employment. This will help Jo when she looks to rent an apartment. So again, in the notifications, she can see this new credential, which is the proof of employment. Again, the proof of employment will contain information such as the employee name, employment status, and the employment start date. So let's continue her journey. So next on our list is to ensure that she gets a comprehensive health insurance. So she visits an insurance provider's website. Again, she can apply for insurance with one click using Atala Prizm. In this instance, using Atala Prizm to verify the holder's identity and employment status in order to process and issue the insurance policy. So let's sign up using Atala Prizm. Again, I'm going to scan the QR code. We're asked if you want to connect with Verified Insurance Limited. You go confirm. So then they're going to send a request for their identity and the proof of employment. And through the Atala Prizm app, I'm going to select to share those. So again, that's now shared. And in the notifications, I can then see that new credential. So again, with the health insurance, it has a class of insurance, policy numbers, and policy end date. So with her health insurance policy on her phone, she will be easily able to access health and medical services within the city. So at this point, Jo's journey is complete. So I hope that this demo has showed the power of Atala Prizm in enabling people to own their personal data and seamlessly interact with organizations in a secure and private way. So the website atalaprizm.io is now live. So we invite everyone to try out this experience. So thank you for your time and attention. At this stage, we'll open up to any questions that you may have.